Hey folks, it's Jen, your Adult and Teen Services Coordinator here at MPL. We know that finding your next great read can be a challenge, so each week we'll release these short book talks to help introduce you to some of our new arrivals and great library reads. Audiobooks are a great alternative to traditional print books. They're great for when you're driving in the car or cleaning the house, or for anyone who's experiencing any trouble with their eyesight. And, library tip, there's often a shorter wait list for some of our most popular authors and titles. For this week's Adult Book Talk, let's take a look at some of our newest audiobook editions. This is The Summer House by James Patterson and Brendan DuBois. Mysteries and thrillers translate really well to audiobook. The narration really helps to build the suspense and makes the characters come alive. In this latest thriller from James Patterson, 7 murder victims are found in a historic lake house, and 4 Army Rangers who are stationed to the local Army base are implicated in the major crime. To ensure that justice is served, the Army sends in Major Jeremiah Cook, a veteran and former NYPD cop, to investigate. But the Major and his elite team arrive to find that their jobs will be made exponentially more challenging by local law enforcement, who aren't happy about the Army's intrusion and stonewall them at every turn. Sure to appeal to die-hard Patterson fans or first-time readers, this standalone thriller is full of Patterson's typical adrenaline-fueled style and unexpected plot twists and turns. This is Sex and Vanity by Kwan. Audiobooks can really help to build the romantic tension in a novel, and this latest edition from the author of Crazy Rich Asians doesn't disappoint in that department. The daughter of an American-born Chinese mother and a blue-blooded New York father, Lucy has always subliminated the Asian side of herself in favor of the white side. And in Sex and Vanity, she adamantly denies having any feelings for George Zhao, who she had a brief love affair with on the Italian island of Capri. Now, years later, Lucy must grapple with her feelings for George when he unexpectedly appears in East Hampton, where she's weekending with her fiancé. Escape into the luxury and extravagance that we've come to expect from Kwan. Sex and Vanity is a retelling of A Room with a View, a modern love story, and a brilliant comedy of manners between two cultures. Finally, listen to 28 Summers by best-selling author Elin Hilderbrand. When Mallory Blessing's son Link receives deathbed instructions to call a number on a piece of paper in her desk drawer, the last thing he expects is for Jake McLeod, husband to the presidential candidate Ursula de Guernsey, to answer. It turns out that Mallory and Jake began a fling in the summer of '93 in Nantucket and have formed a bond that has persevered through marriage, children, and Ursula's rapid political rise until Mallory learns she's dying. 28 Summers explores the agony and romance of this one weekend a year affair and the ways it complicates and enriches their lives and the lives of the ones that they love. This perfect example of a light summer read is a trip down memory lane and will make you feel like you're on vacation even if you're not. It may be August, but there's still plenty of time to participate in MPL's online Adult Summer Reading Challenge. Visit our website to register, log your books and activities, audiobooks count, for your chance to win great prizes. The library reopens with modified services and hours starting August 10th. Visit our website for a full list of details, including health and safety protocols. Whether you choose our in-person grab-and-go or curbside service, you can visit us online via our website, using the free Simcoe County Libraries app, or by calling 705-526-4216 to place a hold on any of the books that I've mentioned here, or any in the library. Our book drop is also open 24/7 for your returns. Thank you to the Government of Canada for funding for this program. That's it for this week's Adult Book Talk. Take care. Happy reading.